Hi, I'm Carl and welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is the knife series playlist. Pocket knives, fixed blade knives, kitchen knives, just whatever. One of my hobbies, collecting knives. I'm the channel that doesn't mind doing reviews on the $10 knives. I'm not like those channels that buy those $200, $300, $400 knives and gives a good review on them. Frankly, because I can't afford those kind of knives. This is the everyday man's knife. Less than 10 bucks at Home Depot. Milwaukee brand. What do you think? Got a fastback folding knife. Press and flip. Under 10 bucks. Let me get something to open this up. Since this came from Home Depot, I'm going to use a Husky razor knife. Still haven't got that one broken in yet. There we go. Open this thing up. I don't plan on taking it back, so I'm just going to rip this package open without any hesitation. Get this knife out of here. Try to get this knife out of here. There we go. Under 10 bucks for a Milwaukee knife. It may have been a bad decision. I don't know. We'll see. They say the steel is... Oh, let's see here. Doesn't give... Oh, it just says stainless steel, but that's all it says. I'm not an expert on different types of steel, so can't really advise you on that. But I can talk about this. Look at there. Got the lanyard hole here in the back. It is pretty comfortable for what it is. I call it grippers right here on the side. Some people call it gimping, I believe. Not real effective though. The finger just slides right across it. Might as well not even put that into the design. Got a wire pocket clip on the back. When you fold it, it does go point down in the pocket. See this button right here? Push that button and it's supposed to flip right open. Let me break it in a little bit. Get that oil in there a little bit. Back and forth. Okay. Push the button. Out of the package, it does not act as advertised, but it hasn't gone through its breaking in period yet. Got a liner lock right here. And what that does is, you see that little piece right there? Watch that snap open and lock that blade into place. Let's see, there we go. There we go. Do that one more time from a different angle. There we go. Honestly, this thing feels cheap. It is plastic. It is lightweight. But it just feels cheap. But what can you expect for 10 bucks? In fact, I think it was under 10 bucks. Can't really remember right now. Getting a little bit better on the opening. Got a tape measure right here. Go and give it thing a... See how long it is? It is just over 4 3/4 inches long. Not counting the pocket clip, it is 9/16 wide, and opened up, it is From end to end, it is just under 7.5 inches. Like I said, oh, it's got a hollow ground on it right here. This is my favorite type of blade right here. Just a simple, everyday, common blade. Now, if you notice this part right here, see how close that is to the handle? Now, some sharpeners, it's going to be tough to get in there and sharpen the very end of this. I'll show you in a different video when I'm doing some sharpening what I'm talking about, but some of you will realize that since this is so close, especially like on the work sharp, the actual sharpening is going to start somewhere around this area. But let's get a paper test. Just one sec. Got a piece of regular copy paper here from my printer. Straight out of the package. Let's see how it goes. Not bad at all, really. Look at that. Really not bad at all. Kind of impressed with that. It can be sharper. And I am going to, since it's under $10, I'm going to play around with this on the wicked edge and show you different things on it. But make a good little stocking stuffer. A nice little gift for somebody that you need to buy a gift for, that you don't want to spend a lot of money. Check it out, Home Depot. I'm going to say $10, somewhere around $10. My name is Carl. I do appreciate you watching.